And good morning from the deck of Artemis. Today we are leaving Edmonds Marina, which has been really nice, and we're heading down to Shilshole. Not very far, 8 nautical miles. Looks like the wind's going to be right on our nose. So we'll see what it looks like once we get out there. We may do a little bit of sailing. Our daughter does not get a fork till 5, so we have a fair amount of time to kill. So yeah, anyway, so looking forward to it. So first step, go get some fuel at the fuel dock. Awesome.
Well, this morning we're saying goodbye to Edmonds, the port of Edmonds. It was a very nice port, a good visit, halfway decent slip. We were very fortunate. So yeah, onward we go to our next destination of Shilshole Marine. And yeah, awesome.
So we decided to go ahead and do a little sailing. We'll most likely be doing a fair amount of tacking, but oh well, it's all good. It's better than another motor over there. So, and we've got some decent wind, so we'll see. Kathy's at the helm, so she'll get us through most likely most of the way there. It's not very far. It's about, I said, a little under 8 nautical miles. And I think we can see where we're going from here. So yeah, pretty awesome.
Here we are, happily sailing along. There's the captain at the helm. He likes it when he's at the helm, under sail. Yep. And he got to avoid the big container ship. Woohoo! Yep, not only ferries, but container ships here in the Puget Sound. Awesome.
We are approaching Shilshole. Had kind of an interesting time. First of all, the battery died in the 360, so I didn't end up recording a bunch of stuff, but Kathy did on her camera.
Probably not as much as I should have, though.
Yeah, it's all good. We basically dodged a couple of large ships. We're now in some shipping channels. We basically ran through a big giant patch of grass. We had to basically spend a fair amount of time going forward and in reverse to clear our prop. We found out that the boat definitely likes to point in one direction better than the other, and it all has to do with the offset backstay. So we kind of proved the point and just saw how on one tack the backstay is super tight, on the other tack the backstay is quite loose. So anyhow, all good, fun, interesting stuff. But now so we are approaching the Shilshole. Life is good. We're getting there right on time, and yeah, we'll check in a bit. Awesome.
So we are approaching Shilshole Bay Marina, which will be Artemis's home for the next 3 nights. So we've got some guest moorage on H dock. Awesome.
And we are coming into Shilshole Marina right now. So kind of the entrance is just ahead of us. We'll be there fairly quickly, so.
And we are off the boat for a week, or weekend. Our daughter Megan and her husband Matt are gonna go visit some friends up north, and we get to cat sit our grand kittens. Yeah, so we put them to good work. They're picking us up, making them haul all of our personal stuff. So life is good. Awesome.
This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.